Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and now you see nails that keep on more than 2 months. And as you can see, everything is in good condition and the nail plate is clear without any gapes, without any splits. So in this tutorial I can answer your questions if the gel nails and products that connected with it um, spoil the nail plate. You can see guys now that these products don't spoil nails at all, and if you do everything quickly and perfectly, your clients will never uh, never remove nails. They will always come back to infill them. Of course, this is a problem that some clients keep on nails for too long, and it causes breaking in the middle of the nail plate. To avoid that, you should ask your clients to come back to you as soon as possible, for example, after 3 or 4 weeks already. And of course, it also depends on the length of natural nail plate. For example, if the nail plate is long, so nails are staying on longer, and if she has short nail plate, she should come back to infill nails less than 3 weeks. As you can see, in my work I'm using carbide drill bits, comb and barrel, and these drill bits are available in my shop. I think that it's only one way to buy these high quality drill bits if you're in Europe or in USA, because there are no manufacturers in other countries, because I wanted to buy them, and I was looking them in AliExpress or eBay, and I didn't find the same quality drill bits. And as you can see, I already removed the dead skin and pterygia, and I primered nails, covered them with thin layer of base gel, and cured in it in a UV lamp in 1 minute. So this is it. This is my preparing for these nails. And now you can see me covering nails with sculpting gel mix, and after 4 minutes in an UV lamp I removed the tacky layer, and now I'm proceeding with the carbide drill bit, and I'm filing the length of the nail, compare one nail to the other to make sure that the length of nails are the same. Okay guys, and after I'm working with file, and as you can see, nails are not wide or bulky on my video, because I tried hard to sculpt nails perfectly without flowing across the nail of the product, and that helps me to do my work easily. So I just use my file, and I'm shaping nails from each side. I'm keeping my file only in one position, Sometimes I twist my hand and I'm trying to round the nail like the tube. So after that I'm using the carbide drill bit of the shape cone. It perfectly works in the cuticles area. This is the most dangerous drill bit because you can hurt the skin with it. So you should work slowly with low speed. And after we are removing the gel from underneath of the nail and cleaning under the free edge, we remove the natural nail. It's necessary for create the length of the nail. Do it graceful and elegant. After filing nails, I'm proceeding with shaping them with the same file. Sometimes you can use old file, so it's better for shaping nails because you'll never hurt the skin with this file. So when I take the new file, I'm trying to shape very carefully. And at the end, I'm using the ball diamond drill bit. It perfectly works with the skin, and we're applying fine hardware manicure with this drill bit. I'm working with the front side of the left side of the finger with forward, and with the right from when I'm working on the right side, I'm using the reverse. Okay guys, after applying hardware manicure, I'm covering the nail plate with thin layer of gel paint Narcissus mixed with a little bit gel paint of the brand Arctic Snow. And after, with one stroke technique, I'm using the flat brush now. I'm applying simple strokes of the flowers. Don't forget to use buffer to prepare nails for the painting, because if the surface is gloss, it's not easy to make strokes. So in order to solve this, I'm using buffer and buffering nails every time I'm drawing on them. Okay guys, we're drawing on two fingers, on the middle finger and on the ring finger. So try to do the composition. As you can see on the right finger and on the left, I tried to place flowers in order to make them be the composition, to make them be closer to each other. Okay, and using green and white paint, I'm drawing simple strokes. And of course, with detailed painting, we can create some thin lines, and in this way we can make the personal touch to the painting. So without this painting, strokes don't looking good, are not looking good. And when we draw some thin lines like you see in the video, the composition begins looking real, natural, and fabulous. Don't forget, at the end of your painting, don't forget to add some bright details like you see, using white gel paint or acrylic paint. These are reflections. Okay, and finally, I'm covering nails with the top coat. You can use matte top coat for some nails. And let's watch the result. I think these nails are suitable for this summer. And in spite of our summer is cold, we've got very low temperature now. In spite of this, my clients ask me to do bright and colorful nails for them. So I hope these nails will make them happier. And I want to say thanks my subscribers for your comments, and your comments give me a lot of inspiration, and I just doing new videos just for you. And right now watch the next nail design for this summer. Okay, and as you can see, we get the same shape of nails, but in this case they're a little bit shorter. I'm covering nails with gel primer, especially for applying very neat coat of gel paint. I'm using Arctic Snow gel paint. I mixed it with a little bit bright pink princess gel paint, and I've got very soft color. At first we wanted to draw half moons, but after I persuaded my client not to apply that because her cuticles line doesn't allow us to apply half moons. So I think that the best way for these nails will be to draw French manicure lines, and I think it's not best idea to cover nails with one color. I think that the French manicure could be the best way for these nails, the best design. But anyway, if a client wants to do such this nail design, I just can't do it. And as you can see, we prepared nails for making the background for the strawberry. I'm using red and white paint for drawing the background of the strawberry, and green and light paints for drawing leaves. With the flat brush I'm drawing some leaves, and using the black acrylic paint I'm drawing shadows on the strawberry. After drawing shadows, I will be drawing reflections. So this is the main thing when you are drawing this berry. At first we draw shadows, and after I mix red paint with white paint, and I have added a little bit water to make the density of milk, and with this paint I have applied the reflections. And after we are drawing seeds with white paint mixed with a little bit green paint, and at the end you can mix red and black paint and mix it with water, and you can use a thin brush number 00, and we're applying very neat thin lines. We surround the berry with the thin line and applying some thin details on leaves. You know, my friends, now it's very popular to draw such compositions on nails, miniatures, and portraits of people, berries, animals, cartoon heroes, and practically we draw on the ring finger, and sometimes on ring finger and the middle finger. But in past I used to draw on each finger and creating the composition. As you can see, I'm using white cappuccino gel paint for drawing smile line. And after that I will be using the top coat, and especially on the ring finger I'm applying some cream with white gel paint of the brand Cappuccino. We don't cover cream with top coat. So let's watch the result. If you like this design, please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Have a nice day, guys.